Back-to-back leaks reveals Galaxy Z Fold 3, Z Flip 3 and a Galaxy Watch 4 announcement and release date. Hey, what's up guys? We are back again with some latest news. So Samsung was earlier expected to hold the Unpacked event sometime around in the middle of August to reveal a separate new product including the Galaxy Z Fold 3, Z Flip 3, Galaxy S21 Fan Edition and the Galaxy Watch 4. The exact date of the event appears to have been leaked. In a very cryptic tweet, a well-known leakster Max Weinbach seems to suggest that the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 will be revealed alongside with the Watch 4 and the Active Watch 4 on August 3, which is going to be the date for next Unpacked event. As far as the release date, front page text says that the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 will be shipped on Friday, August 27. The same source also claims that Samsung upcoming watch will hit the shelves on Wednesday, August 11. This is roughly aligns with the timeline shared by the Korean outlets already. As per the previous leak available information, both the Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888, and that said, we won't be surprised if Samsung instead outfit the premium Galaxy Z Fold 3 with the Snapdragon 888 Plus processor, which is seemingly right around the corner. The Z Fold 3 is expected to have largely the same design as the current model and rumored standout features including the under-panel selfie camera and support for S Pen. The under-panel camera will be on par with the conventional shooter but it not entirely be invisible. The outer screen is rumored to be flattened and coming with a 120Hz refresh rate this time around. The Z Flip 3 on the other hand is likely to offer a bigger cover display and 120Hz of main display. Both devices are rumored to be more affordable than their predecessor. They could cost you 20% less than the outgoing models, and if this rumor is materialized, the Z Fold 3 will retail around $1,600 and the clamshell Flip 3 will be going for sale on $959. Moving on to the new watches, the heading update is a switch to Wear OS, which is unified operating system. The Galaxy Watch 4 will be coming with two different sizes, the 42mm and the 46mm. And the Active Watch 4 will be coming with two models as well, and it is going to be 40mm and 42mm in sizes. On the hardware side, it is rumored that 5nm chipsets sound like to be the biggest upgrade. That because the Galaxy Watch 3 and Watch Active was fueling with the 10nm Exynos 9910 chip, and a smaller processor node theoretically generates better performance and improved power efficiency. A new operating system and a more powerful chipset sound like just the combo Samsung needs to make these best smartwatches of the year. Unfortunately, we are not going to see the glucose monitoring function in the Samsung new wearables. Other health-related features like the ECG and heart rate monitor will likely be there. So guys, overall I think that Samsung has made a great move since we know that Galaxy Note devices are not coming this year. So Galaxy Z Fold 3 are going to be coming with a cheaper price than their predecessor. So this is going to be a pretty amazing, and there is a chance that Samsung might sell their foldable devices even more in numbers than the predecessor. Anyhow, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion about that? Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.